everybody, Rose from Bridgewater Public Library. Thanks for joining me today. So today, last time we did the mermaid tail, whale's tail, and the time before that we did the seahorse because of the tails and tails for the summer reading. So today I'm going to do a wave because because we need water. So, the wave I'm going to create with a hairdryer. This is just a travel size hairdryer, and you can see I've used it. And that technique is called a Dutch pour. I don't know why. Probably the person that's started to do it. So, so let's do a wave. I'm gonna put mostly music on because I don't want you to have to listen to the loud hairdryer, and I'm also going to use a straw for some small details. So let's get to the wave, and thanks for joining us. Up of it wet. I'm really pleased with it. It's really cool. There's some cells going on. And there it is. I hope it dries as well as it looks wet, and I foresee more ways in my future because that was cool and fun. So thanks for joining me. I'll show it to you when it's dried. All right, here it is dried, and it dried exactly how it looked wet. I like that part the best. It is one of my favorite paintings. And this will be on the display case at the circulation desk. So come by, check it out, look at the colors for real. It always looks better live in person than on camera. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Peace.